Okay, now we have finished the radio calibration. Now the third one is the load balance. Okay, this is the overview. Balance the AP load to ensure the proper access from the SDA. A load balance mode can able to classify into two different types: static load balance or the dynamic load balance. Normally we recommend using the dynamic load balance over here. So let's look at the first one, the static load balance. A load balance group is manually created by the administrator. So, and the maximum support for the group that we create by the administrator, right, is only can up to the 16 member. So that means we cannot create as much as much of it that we want. So right here you can see I have some node. Okay, AP1, AP2 are at the static load balance group. So if you want to make sure inside this area, okay, this area we'll just name it as an overlapping area. So they'll allow the user, the client, to connect to this SSID can perform the load balance in this area. So right now, the AP1 and AP2, they're sharing the same SSID. Now I use the SDA number 6. So I try to join to this SSID. Maybe I just give a name, Huawei. So I try to connect to this Huawei SSID. And then right now, this Huawei SSID can be able to broadcast by two AP1 and AP2. So I need to do this. I'm going to create the static load balance group for the AP1 and AP number 2. And then right now, if I already configure the Huawei SSID inside the radio number 0, so I need to bind this radio number 0 into the static group here. So that means when my PC enter to this group, they will know how to perform the load balance, okay, based on the threshold that you set. Then the next one, for the dynamic load balance. So the dynamic load balance, basically for the administrator, they don't need to do anything. So what he need to do is just enable it, that's all. So when the PC go into the area, and then, so the process is very simple over here. When example, this is a SDA number 6. So they try to connect to the SSID named Huawei. So you're going to send a probe request to both AP. Okay, because this probe request is belong to the broadcast, so you cannot stop the AP2 and AP1 receive this at the same time. Okay, so the probe request is going to send into 2 AP. And 2 AP, right, we're going to send this associated message back to the AC because all the authentication have to done on the AC end of the day. So AC is going to check. Right now, the AP1 and the AP2, they have a same client information. Then they will know right now this client actually is inside the overlapping area. It's sending the broadcast, the probe request to both AP. Then you know, okay, right now I can able to perform the load balance to the current client. So does the number of the access user exceed the start threshold for load balance or not? If no, then the PC can straight go online. If yes, okay, then they're going to start to do the load balancing here. It depends on what kind of the load balancing algorithm they use. So this load balance algorithm. So here they use a number of the associated SDS on the radio. So right now my AP number 1, just give an example. In my, okay, I just using the example over here. I have total of 6 PC, and this is a new join PC. So right now, the number of the associated SDA on the radio connected to my AP number 1 is already have 4. But right now, the maximum number of the associated SDA on the radio, okay, right now everyone is connected to the same SSID, the name that I create, Huawei. All right, so everyone is connected to the same SSID, have a total of 6 PC right now. So in my network here, it's already have 3. Okay, and this is 2. Okay, 3 against 2. Right now, my PC we're going to connect to who? Then we're going to check on 2 sides. So AP number 1, 3 on the top. 3, okay, divided by 6 times 100%. Then you'll get the percentage of the AP radio. So it become 3 and 6. So it's half. So half is 50%. So it's really 50% reach to the threshold. And how about on the other side? Here is 2. Okay, divided by 6. Okay, 26. So it will become 13. So it's around like 33%, 0.3223. So the threshold is smaller than the AP number one. So right now, when I putting my STA at between here in the overlapping area, here is already reached to the 50% threshold, and here is only remaining threshold over here is only like 33%. So my PC here will do the associate with the AP number two. Okay, so this is how they're actually doing the calculation here. Okay, this is a static load balance. So for the static load balance, the configuration will be very different. So it doesn't do the same way as the dynamic. Dynamic, you using some of the load balance algorithm and do the calculation. But for the load balance, you have to manually create the group. So I need to group the AP1, AP2, and then you need to tell them what is um, the radio that you're going to use for the load balance here. So example, Huawei SSID, okay, is belong to radio number 0. So I go into the AP group here. I'm going to buy the AP1, AP2, and with the radio 0 for the static load balancing here. Okay, and the load balancing here for the static, they have the limited, okay, the maximum number that you can able to perform. So this is how we're going to configure, okay, using the CRI. So to doing this is very simple. So what they're doing is just go to the WLAN wheel, use the command sta load balance followed by static group. Then just give a name. Then from here, we add a member AP name. Okay, right now I have an AP1 and AP2. I just put AP-0. Okay, maybe the name of your AP. All right. So okay, you put member AP name. Okay, the name is office. Okay, they're actually using the office. Okay, and this office is belong to the radio 0. This is the way how they do that. Then the next one is for the dynamic. So the dynamic, you only need to do once. So what you're going to do that is just enter to the WLAN view using the RRM profile. Just give a name for this RRM profile. We're using the STL load balance dynamic enable. That's all. Okay, so we need to do statically to enter every single AP names and what's the radio that you're going to add into the AP group. Okay, this one you're going to do it for you. Okay, now the content number 4, the band steering.